Protégez-vous du soleil, hein, quand même. C'est vraiment pas bon, hein. Il est joli ce générateur de bouclier. Allez, on se casse. On aurait pu récupérer le rover, hein, plutôt que d'y aller à pied.
I'm leaving the base. Going after the convoy.
Ok, bon bah j'y vais à pied. Elle chante. J'ai un faible pour les personnages féminins de films de survie. Mais du coup j'aime beaucoup Yasna. Elle est vraiment bien. C'est ça qu'il faut que j'aille par contre. Droite ou gauche? Mhm. Eux ils sont passés à gauche. J'aurais vraiment dû prendre le rover, je pense. Bien le genre de jeu à nous faire une arnaque de ce type-là.
Well, I've got to the place where they were digging. It's hard to miss. They set up a huge machine at the center. It must weigh hundreds of, no, thousands of tons. The ship that brought all of this must be...
Gigantic, yes. The Invincible surpasses any of our units, even the largest orbital stations. In my opinion, it's a bit excessive.
Gives me the chills just knowing it's not far from here.
Well, maybe you won't have to see it at all.
J'ai vu tout à l'heure une nouvelle qui fait un peu peur, c'est que Wukong est très buggé, du coup il n'y a pas de test. Ça donnera un peu de temps avant de le prendre, mais j'aimerais que ce soit vite réglé. Ah, je verrai, de toute façon, je vais essayer de l'avoir le jour de la sortie. J'ai regardé, il y a une jolie édition collector que j'aurais bien voulu me prendre. Bon, elle a deux problèmes. Déjà, elle est beaucoup trop chère. Elle est vraiment beaucoup trop chère. Et surtout, même dans l'édition collector, il n'y a pas d'édition physique. Donc du coup, bah, c'est un peu nul, quoi. Je te recommande une chanson de John Martin intitulée Spencer the Rover. C'est pour aller chercher le rover, tu me dis ça, Steven? Je mets la chanson et je vais chercher le rover. Non, c'était une version avec... je sais pas s'il y a la couronne dedans, mais c'était une version avec une statuette du héros. Mais peut-être que c'est une version avec la couronne. J'ai pas vu tout ce qu'il y avait dedans. Donc peut-être qu'on parle de la même version. En tout cas, c'était une édition collector à plus de 400 balles. Ça n'avait aucun sens. Mais que je me serais bien pris parce que la statuette est jolie. Et j'aurais pu la mettre dans le décor maintenant que j'ai un décor.
There's also a couple of smaller cranes here. In comparison to the Colossus, they look like it's pups.
Yes, I got it. They have big machines. Bigger than ours.
Il est jaloux. Il est complètement jaloux. Adorable.
Interesting. They found a sizable object deep underground. Stands out from the rest. It's not a part of the structures, but rather an independent, autonomous machine.
Also metal.
Yes.
So, a robot? Or something else that finally looks familiar?
Well, it looks a lot more like a robot than the other structures.
Dans quelle galère on s'est encore fourré.
The excavator has a massive work area. They had photos of the site in the database, taken before they started digging. It's unrecognizable. Inside, there's a structure. Yes, a metal one. Similar to the ones on the surface. But these are completely hidden underground. According to the schemes from the geological unit, metal can be found in every part of this area.
How far to that convoy?
Not far. Even if I make a few stops, it won't take long.
Ouais, il faut que je continue à rouler en fait. Hop, il y en a plusieurs mais c'est très cher, il n'y a pas le jeu en physique. J'ai vu que tu as enlevé le fond vert pour un décor, c'est bien comme ça. Bah, il manque encore pas mal de choses, je voudrais rajouter des lumières dedans et de la verdure si je peux. Mais je sais pas quand c'est que j'aurai le temps de faire ça. Et c'est surtout pour pouvoir live avec un peu moins de lumière. Parce que le fond vert ça demandait beaucoup d'éclairage. Et le fait de mettre un décor comme ça, ce sera un peu plus agréable. Pour moi. Hein. Même si du coup ma cam est pas top et qu'il faudra que je la change pour que ça ronde un peu mieux. Par contre, il y a un truc que je comprends pas, c'est que on se dirige pas vers le vaisseau avec lequel l'Alliance est venue. On se dirige vers là où ils sont. Mais on aurait meilleur compte de se diriger vers leur vaisseau mère pour pouvoir repartir avec eux. Parce que eux, ils sont probablement tous morts de toute façon. Je sais pas si on trouvera des survivants dans ce jeu.
Astrogator, I've already covered most of the convoy route. I'm entering a more enclosed area. A ravine, to be precise.
I see. Can I count on a tactical report?
Of course. A simple analysis of the situation won't hurt anyone.
That's for sure.
Visuellement, le jeu, il envoie du pâté. Hein. Du pâté énaf, comme il disait l'autre. Il y a de très très belles images. Faut grimper UT par là-haut. Ah, c'est coincé. Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qui vient de se passer exactement? Planifiez votre itinéraire pour rejoindre le convoi.
The road ahead leads straight to where the convoy was heading.
Well then, what are you waiting for? Any doubts?
No, I don't. I still think we have to go there. If they're not in the base, they must be somewhere, damn it.
So, what's on your mind?
I can just drive in there, straight to the convoy. Or try and take a side path, to remain unnoticed until the very last moment.
Bold assumption. Could be an unnecessary detour. I leave that to your judgment, though. It's your call, Yasna.
Actually, I don't think it will make much difference. I'm heading straight to the convoy.
On va y aller direct. Je pense que c'est mieux. Et ils m'ont donné le rover, donc il fallait bien que j'aille le chercher, le rover. Je me suis fait une bonne session à pied pour rien, quoi. Mais c'est cool de leur part de me l'avoir donné.
I'm nearing the destination. From now on, I'll be on foot.
Good. It's better to approach with caution.
Actually, I don't have a choice. The road is blocked. Seems like a sidewall collapse.
How typical of the Alliance. To destroy everything that's in the way.
Je venais juste de retrouver mon rover et hop, on me l'enlève. Est-ce que je peux récupérer le cerveau de Luna? Non, je peux pas. Ça m'embête un peu de la laisser là.
Radiation level is rising rapidly.
Yasna, be careful. Of radiation. Of other people. Just...
One of their vehicles got stuck in the rubble.
Oh. So you've already reached the convoy?
It's only this vehicle so far. I'm looking for the rest.
Je lui ai coupé la parole et j'ai sauté un dialogue en faisant ça. Seka Vulpeculae. Mon amour, je veux t'assurer que notre expédition se déroule très bien, sans plus d'observations ou de découvertes spectaculaires. Nous prévoyons possiblement un arrêt temporaire pour une routine de maintenance. Cependant, cela ne devrait pas avoir trop d'importance concernant la date de retour. Par conséquent, mon amour, sois tranquille, tu peux compter sur moi pour être bientôt pleinement présent dans notre vie commune. Toutefois, il faut que tu comprennes à quel point cette découverte d'un isotope a été spectaculaire pour nous. C'est très important pour ma carrière universitaire et ma renommée, qui, je l'espère, sera partagée avec toi. Il s'agit de la première particule dans l'histoire de la conquête spatiale humaine dotée d'un isotope instable et radioactif découverte au-delà du système solaire. Et c'est moi qui l'ai découverte. Rends-toi compte, tu t'imagines ? À l'intérieur de 26 AIF, l'enfant des corps célestes, un composé créé au terme de la collision entre deux objets, sont cachés tous les mystères de l'impact des étoiles. Je vais bientôt pouvoir déterminer leur masse du moment que j'y passe quelques nuits. Pour l'instant, je sais que l'une d'entre elles était une étoile rouge géante. J'ai en tête les réponses à des questions qui ont taraudé les esprits des plus brillants pendant des centaines d'années et ont détruit les yeux de ces mêmes grands esprits à force de regarder dans les télescopes en direction de Seka Vulpeculae. Nouvelle dans Le Petit Renard. Dans la phrase mentionnant mon intérêt plus poussé par la collision des étoiles que la connexion entre les personnes, et dans l'expression de mon opinion que les conséquences de la collision entre les étoiles sont plus importantes que tout ce que peut créer deux entités faites de protéines, je ne voulais que transmettre mon admiration sans équivoque pour l'harmonie cosmique et la beauté mathématique de l'astrophysique, rien d'autre. Pardonne-moi, je rentre bientôt. B. Des bonnes collisions de protéines. Mais mon rover! Je venais juste de le retrouver et je dois l'abandonner. C'est tellement triste. Oh purée, il y a l'autre enfer là.
And there's another mobile antimatter cannon.
Another? How many of those did they... Is it active?
Dead, fortunately.
I admire your composure.
Ceux qui ont creusé des
Well,
tunnels
I've
un
had
peu
my
partout.
fair share of anxiety lately. No wonder my brain's in defense mode now. Dissociation is something we all do. Hang on, someone's here. Oh no. Astrogator. They're dead.
So you found someone.
I didn't let that thought get to me. Didn't want to. Finding them was my priority. It could have been just another abandoned place, not this.
What exactly happened to them?
Well, that's a good question. I'm not even sure what they were doing here.
Ils se sont fait buter par l'antimat. On peut pas aller dans celui-là, on est d'accord? Non.
Okay. I'm getting into the antimat's recorder. What do we have here? They were preparing for departure. The convoy's heading somewhere.
Attendez, je loupe des choses.
Where I am now. I was there. It's the location with the giant cranes, right before they lifted that strange artifact above ground level. Coordinates match the location of the base we've searched. All of the Alliance's semi-autonomic machines can be remotely controlled, right?
Yes.
In that case, they were conducting an inspection before marching out. The antimatter's in an escort mode.
Oui, c'est vrai qu'on peut lire les infos. J'ai jamais vraiment fait attention à ce qui était écrit.
They're here, sending a probe. It's hard for them to reach the site. That's why they're trying to get there from above. Oh, they're tunneling their way through with a beam of antimatter.
How subtle. Can you locate the breach?
Je crois qu'on l'a trouvé. Je crois que c'était pas trop dur à trouver.
Looks like they found whatever they were looking for in that ominous tunnel. Of course.
Don't jump to conclusions.
Ils avaient
Doctor.
d'autres
Before we finish,
d'autres
we need to
droïdes.
know what to expect there first.
Shame. The transport's leaving. Those containers ended up in one of the transporters. I wonder if it's still nearby. Something's going on. One man's trying to draw the attention of the others to them is staring with concern at an instrument. Some sort of meter. The photo is such poor quality. You can clearly see the fear on his face. Measurements are also strange. The electromagnetic field is in the upper range.
That's a recurring factor, which explains nothing, really. We're going in circles instead of getting you off this planet. Is there anything actually helpful in those photos?
Don't you want to know what happened, sir?
I do. If my crew was safe and sound, I'd gladly investigate it myself. Explaining this mystery would not only expand our knowledge, but also bring us honor and glory. Not to mention the exposure of the Alliance's incompetence. At the moment, though, I have other priorities, Doctor.
L'Alliance, l'incompétence de l'Alliance, tout ça, toute notre équipe est morte aussi, hein.
Next slide. People rushing out of the tunnel, running from... Whatever's in there.
But are we still considering whether we should go inside? I admit it's all very intriguing, but also too risky. What I'm trying to say is, I fear for your safety, Yasna.
Alors là, je dois bien avouer que ma curiosité, elle est piquée quand même.
Rightly so. I'd be scared out of my mind if not for our link. You help me keep it together, sir. One of the antimats has fired straight into the tunnel.
And? What happened next?
Donc ils ont essayé de se défendre. J'imagine que c'est ce qu'a mis hors service le truc antimat.
There's nothing else. Only darkness.
Can't you see what he was aiming for?
It's ceasing to protect the convoy. There's a bunch of unidentified targets. It has trouble recognizing any of the 9,999 objects. The counter reached its limit, I guess.
Sounds like a major fault in the circuitry. Combine that with tremendous firepower and it means big trouble.
Total panic. Everyone's trying to escape. Astrogator. The Antimat's new objective is to eliminate, instead of protecting.
Donc c'est bien ça.
What's next?
Le truc sur la planète retourne les IA contre les gens. Ça reprogramme les IA.
There's also a second Antimat. It's shooting into the air.
Unbelievable. Both were faulty.
The second Antimat. That's what destroyed it. People are frozen with fear. They don't know what to do. It's firing directly at the crew.
Sympa?
Shooting them,
Oh le barbuck.
one by one.
Oh, c'est violent d'un coup.
It's horrifying what an antimatter beam does to the human body.
I'm sorry you have to see this, Yasna. Regis 3 doesn't spare you.
De mieux en mieux cette
Down
mission.
this mission. I curse whoever sent us here to play some half-assed spy game. Someone hid behind a rock.
How do you know?
This antimat has thermal imagery. Hiding from it made no difference.
Ok, donc ça c'est des infos pour quand on aura affaire aux antimats.
One man has raised his hands in surrender.
Donc se cacher ne sert à rien, ils ont une vision thermique. Se rendre... Oh, ça marche.
If only a machine could take pity on him.
With a proper programming, it could recognize such gestures, but it could never feel compassion. No.
Est-ce qu'il s'en est sorti ou est-ce qu'on va le voir en deux morceaux? C'est ça la question. Ok, ça marche pas.
The machine just killed him.
C'est ignoble. C'est affreux. Ok, donc on peut pas se cacher, on peut pas se rendre. Bah du coup faut fuir quoi.
Oh fuck.
Yasna,
C'est moi!
The last photo is from a few moments ago. I'm on it.
Bloody hell, so it's not dead after all. The machine that massacred the Alliance is still operational, and it could target you at any moment.
Let's hope not.
Perhaps it's best
Sauf
while moving away.
si elle ne nous identifie pas comme une menace.
Right.
En gros, qu'est-ce qu'elle considère comme une menace?
So, I'll go check it out.
I know you will, Yasna. Proceed.
Journal mise à jour. C'est quoi la petit carré rouge qu'on voit? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Ok, regardons la BD. Yasna arrive à la zone de fouille où l'un des objets découverts l'attire particulièrement. Contrairement aux autres objets, celui-ci semble être un robot. Lorsque Yasna arrive au convoi, elle s'aperçoit que tout le monde est mort. Il y a dû y avoir un combat ici. Les enregistrements de l'antimat montrent que des machines de l'Alliance se sont retournées contre les humains. Est-ce que du coup j'ai plus d'infos avant? Oui. Le personnel de l'Alliance transporte de mystérieux échantillons en dehors du tunnel. Soudain, les machines de l'Alliance se retournent contre leur créateur. C'est parce qu'ils ont volé des trucs que la planète a commencé à être agressive envers eux. Qu'est-ce qu'ils ont volé du coup? Dors bien, gros pépère. Allons. Qu'est-ce qui pourrait mal se passer?
I can hear a rhythmic, metallic sound coming from beyond the tunnel.
Take your time, Yasna.
I can't hear. I don't understand you, sir. The audio's breaking up.
It's not unexpected. You are unexpected.
I'll get back to you once I reach the end.
Understand?
It's in Arctan. Coming at me. Huh. Carrying something. Ah. I got out. Well, inside a cave.
Yasna, can you hear me? Over.
Copy that. I don't feel too. My head feels like it's bursting from
Il y a encore
pressure.
les histoires de plantes.
Breathe, Yasna. You need to rest.
Il y a les plantes qui m'ont fait perdre conscience la première fois.
I'm better now.
All right then. Can you tell me what's in there?
Seems like this robot started a task and then got stuck in a loop.
What task?
Carrying boxes. It took one but never left.
Why do you think it's stuck?
Well, it goes in circles, using the same path. This place is full of metal bushes.
Same as the ones before.
Arc 03.
Well, the lower parts of the bushes are fruitless.
So the Alliance came to pick the fruits.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils ont fait les crétins?
Their crew took some soil samples. There's this chipped rock, revealing what lies beneath the surface.
Which is more metal?
Yes, a metal interior. Roots are exposed as well. They're not embedded in any rock, but in a tissue-like alloy.
Metal bushes growing out of metal soil.
Yeah, that's one way of putting it.
So, all the bushes in this area, and there are plenty of them as I understand, appear to grow on the rock, but deep down their roots are embedded in metal. Perhaps you should take a closer look at them, Doctor.
Ils ont mangé le fruit défendu.
Can you please check them, Yasna?
Do you have anything specific in mind?
Doctor, if it's all metal,
Then I'll use a detector. Right. I'm checking. Give me a sec.
perfect.
Il y a que son casque et son sac à dos qui ressort. Ah, là, il y a quelque chose. Quelque chose qu'on voit pas d'ailleurs. C'est rigolo. Par contre, pourquoi je peux pas interagir avec? Ah si, je peux. Il a pas l'air en forme, hein. Comment il s'appelle? Batk? C'est dur à dire un peu, Batk.
Everything matches. There's metal all around. And the bushes have a direct connection with the whole system.
Interesting. Sounds similar.
To the structures I saw following Gorski. Yes. Huh. Well, perhaps it's... looks like two generations. One, old, dead, a relic. Second, these bushes grew in the remains of the former generation.
Hang on. Are you saying that this new generation is alive? And the old one used to be alive?
We can't rule it out.
And you say that as a biologist? I haven't heard you mention cells, membranes, organs, or green bodies, which leads me to one conclusion. That thing is not alive, Doctor.
Well, we're used to calling all life proteinaceous, especially ourselves. But that's on Earth. The universe doesn't give a damn about our classifications.
Yes, are you abandoning your profession? All you have learned, discovered, researched so far?
I'm just opening up to the unknown.
Il met à jour ses connaissances, c'est tout. J'ai pas l'impression que je puisse avancer par là, par contre. Du coup, il faut que j'aille où? Okidak Alex, merci beaucoup d'être passé. Bonnes vacances à toi. Et oui, le jeu est très très cool. C'est très narratif et contemplatif du coup. Mais j'aime beaucoup. C'est de la SF en même temps. Moi j'aime bien la SF. Mais du coup, quelle est la suite du jeu?
I'm pretty sure the box is filled with research material. Those fruits.
Très important,
Did you
Alex.
retrieve them somehow?
It won't be easy to
Je n'en
snatch
attends pas moins de
crate
toi.
from its steel grip. I'll come closer first.
Aïe 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 aïe. Reprends-toi, reprends-toi. Respire. Ça va aller, ça va aller. Quoi? Ah, il part. Allez, courage, courage, Yas.
The robot disappeared.
You must have broken its loop.
I didn't.
Well, you must have done something. Never mind. We'll try to locate it. But first of all, get out of there now.
Ouais, les buissons, faut vraiment pas s'en approcher. Hein. C'est vraiment une saloperie.
It hasn't gone far.
Good. Please follow it.
Est-ce qu'il va se faire griller par l'antimat? Si le problème c'est qu'il leur vole des trucs et que la planète apprécie pas de se faire voler, il y a de fortes chances qu'ils se fassent griller par l'antimat. Oh purée.
Oh, fuck! Fuck, it's getting up!
The robot.
No, no, the antimat!
You need to act fast. Move, Yasna. Run. Yasna? Are you alive?
Donc c'est bien ça.
He destroyed the robot.
Ils veulent pas qu'on prenne d'échantillons.
Oh no. Take care of our people, Livik. Do you hear? Find them the best medics.
Yasna, what do you...
Tell Kovalai. I tried.
No. Don't die on me now.
J'ai perdu?
Don't give up. You can't. You can't. Failed you. Sorry.
Mais non, parce que
Fucking sorry. It's all my
on les
fault.
emmerde pas, nous.
All mine. It was my decision. I decided to accept this mission.
How did I survive? Wait. You said you had a choice.
Yes, you're alive.
If you could reject it, why didn't you?
After a series of successful missions, are you safe now?
Safe enough.
And the antimat?
He decided not to shoot me after all. Please continue, sir.
Je pense pas que ce soit ça. Hein. Je pense qu'ils nous identifient pas comme une
You will
menace.
agree that we were doing very well. Outstanding results.
That's how it ought to end. Well.
Yes, I fully agree, but then it seemed this could have been the crowning achievement of the entire expedition. Just imagine.
You could have at least asked us.
Pas
I
faux.
did wrong. I know that now. I will never forgive myself for it. Neither do I expect you to.
Oh, to hell with it. I can't really blame you. After all, you're the commander. It's your job to make
T'es
decisions.
fâché avec les chiffres? Optimal.
Live with the consequences.
Right. It means a lot to hear that from you, Yasna. Thank you.
C'est juste que ça sert à rien d'avoir de la rancœur là pour le moment.
I would suggest watching your next steps.
On lui filera une baffe quand on le verra et puis ça ira mieux.
I'm afraid that's not the only threat around, aren't you?
Of course I am. But I won't rest until I find out what happened to our people. How we can aid them.
Alors attendez. L'Alliance était particulièrement intéressée par les fruits qui poussent sur les buissons métalliques. Yasna décide d'en cueillir quelques-uns pour des recherches de la communauté. Ah non? C'est pas vrai? L'antimatière jusqu'alors inactive s'allume et détruit un robot transportant les jarres de fruits. Cependant, la machine ignore Yasna et s'éteint à nouveau. Il fallait le voir ce truc-là. Heureusement que le jeu me l'a indiqué. Et je l'ai bien flingué. Bah alors mon pépère. Et du coup, pourquoi la première bestiole qu'on a croisée m'a identifié comme une menace? La première antimate qu'on l'a vue, peut-être qu'elle n'était pas reprogrammée la première. C'était peut-être juste une antimate de l'Alliance.
For now, you can forget about the research material. The only thing left of the Arctan is its feet.
Considering all the factors, I would assume everyone in the convoy is dead. If there's anything more to learn, it's from the recording devices. The first antimat told us a lot. The second one is destroyed. You spoke about the probe. Should be a valuable source of information. And the rovers. Are they on the convoy list?
It's cooled down.
Oh non! Attendez, je règle ce petit problème. Grâce à ma nouvelle installation, ça va aller super vite. J'avais un truc à regarder. Hop. Oui, mais le cerveau de Luna, on le laisse derrière du coup? Ça m'enquiquine un peu, moi.
Actually, it's right in front of me. I found another body in the rover's cabin.
I'm afraid it won't be the last, Doctor. Does the body make it difficult to access the recorder?
I can get in from the other side. So, no, it doesn't make it difficult for me, as you put it, sir.
Ça nous fera de la compagnie un peu. Oh, il y a une clé.
Why even bother with security measures when they just leave keys in locks anyway? So, let's hear it.
C'est vrai que c'est plus pratique avec la clé.
This is Antka. Hello, Antka. Tesla here. I can hear you. Reporting. 25th day of the mission, 7:15 a.m. We arrived.
I saw it on the slides.
We encountered a terrain obstacle, but it has been removed.
You can skip ahead if you would.
We've established permanent access to the extraction site, separated the material for research. Now we're securing the first transport. Dr. Boza and Osterhaus have already begun their preliminary research here on site. Gotcha. I'm passing it on. Let us know if there are any updates. Of course. Over and out.
There's more.
Base, come in. Dr. Boza wants to talk with you. Tesla here. Over. We have a sort of discovery.
Oh, I'm listening.
25th day.
Base, this is Boza.
Doctor.
These tiny crystals contain highly advanced technology. Individually, they are slender and helpless. However, when in a group, they seem to stimulate and support each other, revealing...
C'est des réplicateurs de Stargate SG1. On est dans la mouise.
Okay, and then?
A handful of small crystals gathered together. When in a larger group, they activated and... This is our biggest revelation so far. They started floating in the air.
Did I hear that right?
The larger the group, the easier, more freely.
Yes. Apparently it's flying.
Like a swarm of mechanical flies.
Slow down, Doctor. You say crystals, or rather flies. Which one is it?
Call it whatever you want. These creatures have a precise threefold symmetry, resembling the letter Y, with three-pointed arms connecting in a central bulge. Black as coal in direct light, shimmering with shades of blue and olive in reflected light. As my colleague Osterhaus mentioned, they somewhat resemble the abdomens of certain terrestrial insects. Is Markovnik there?
The navigator's unavailable right now.
Well, please let him know we'll submit our reports as soon as he's available. Oh, and have him send us another transporter, will you?
Autonomous robots the size of flies.
It's not finished. Let's keep listening.
Hello, convoy. Antka, come in. Are you there? Yes, I'm here. We're finishing loading. Preparing to depart. Don't!
Gets tense.
Leave the material behind and return to the base. But why? What happened? Scouts came back from this whole city. Tesla? What's going on? Hello? Tesla, come in.
Navigator speaking. Don't take anything. Just get out of there. Immediately. That's an order.
Ah, donc ils sont pas si idiots que ça, ils ont quand même compris le truc.
Amazing. Microbots grouping and flying together, similar to flies, capable of affecting other machines, even to the point that those affected become dangerous to humans.
The microbots, they must be dangerous as well. I don't know how, but not all people were killed by larger robots.
I think I figured it out, partially at least. The Alliance scientists were very clear that all of this had to do with an electromagnetic field, the field emitted by these flies. When people displayed disturbing symptoms, field measurements showed above average values. At first I thought it was a sensoric malfunction. After all, the machines were broken. It turns out that field damaged them. So all the malfunctions occurred afterward.
Why didn't I think of it sooner? Prolonged exposure to strong electromagnetic fields can be harmful to the human brain. Usually it concerns long-term effects, months and years of unfavorable conditions.
Please elaborate, Doctor. What sort of effects?
Various brain dysfunctions. It may even lead to the arrest of vital organs.
So that's how... Barrett.
Most probably. Another known effect of the EM field is memory loss. The human organism continues to function normally, but the human being is such as helpless, vulnerable. Like a baby, they don't understand the world around them.
Can such a person learn the world anew?
It's unprecedented. All we can do now is believe that they will eventually snap out of it. And when they do, hope they won't be used as guinea pigs.
We both know this is going to be difficult.
Yes. And I don't even know if I'll survive this mission. Will I see them again? Will they develop properly? Even if it all works out, we will be strangers. They won't remember us. All that's left is hope. God damn it.
Perhaps researching those flies will help us to better aid our people. We're theorizing for now. Be worth examining. Confirm at least.
Got it, Astrogator. I'll search for those containers of flies.
Je bidouille. Oui, mais non, c'est l'autre cadavre. Ok.
I've located one of the transporters, sir. Please don't celebrate yet, though.
Il y a des plantes qu'on poussait dessus.
Strange has happened to it.
Get to the point, please. What's wrong with it?
The outer shell is damaged. There are holes everywhere.
Like from bullets?
No, it looks like it's been corroded by strong acid.
Du coup, je rentre dedans. Hein. Oh. Il y a un corps à l'intérieur. Je crois pas que je puisse y avoir accès. Parce que sur mon radar, c'est lui du coup que je vois. Là où on doit pouvoir y aller. Est-ce que je peux continuer à avancer par là? Non, il y a un dôme. Ça, c'est des notes pour ma carte. On note l'emplacement des choses. C'est ça. Et là, c'est la fin. On doit pas pouvoir y aller par là.
The second transporter is under a force field. It's hovering above the ground.
So it is operational. Probably also in better shape than the other one.
It certainly looks better.
The cargo may be intact then. It was damaged in the first one, right?
Actually, I'm not sure. I didn't think to go inside.
Pilon. Ah, par contre, au niveau de ma réserve d'oxygène, je tiens le coup. Hein. Ça devait être un problème pendant quelques temps, mais au final, pas du tout.
Astrogator, I found their probe. Looks like it hid from the flies. Or just ended up here by pure luck.
Luck indeed. This registry could be valuable, especially if it managed to photograph everything from a greater distance.
Elle a pris une photo de moi. Adorable bébête. En fouillant les véhicules du convoi, Yasna découvre que les fruits peuvent voler et génèrent un champ électromagnétique. L'Alliance les appelle des mouches. Yasna trouve la sonde de l'Alliance qui va maintenant l'accompagner dans son voyage. Mais du coup, Luna...
Come here, little probie. Oh, that didn't work. It flew away.
Is it scared of you too?
I'd rather say that my lack of authorization is more of a problem than me being scary. I won't be able to bring the probe down unless I find a working controller.
Décidément, on en trouve des morts. Hein. Ce qui est bien, c'est qu'on note le nom à chaque fois. Donc si on doit retrouver quelqu'un... D'ailleurs, c'est rigolo. Il y a la liste des choses qu'on doit retrouver. Des gens, des véhicules et des robots. Il y a peut-être genre un succès pour retrouver tout le monde.
I got inside the field. Do you copy, sir?
Comment c'est possible?
Of course. The force field doesn't block radio waves. I suggest the following. If this transporter is actually running, it doesn't make any sense to take out the containers and carry them with you. You're going to take the whole transport. You'll have the flies in large numbers and a powerful means of transport that can fly over terrain inaccessible to the rover. But before you leave, you need to take down the force field. So first, the Energobot, turning off the force field, then transporter, departure. All clear?
How about I act according to my judgment? And you patiently await my request for help, sir?
We can do that.
Comment je lui ai rabattu son claquet.
You're there. You make the decisions.
Thank you, sir.
Is the probe still with you?
Elle se balade.
Yes, it's around here. Somewhere.
Mais par contre, faut vraiment pas avoir envie de bouger vite dans le jeu. Hein. En même temps, ça fait 3 jours qu'on marche, normal. Au bout d'un moment, on est fatigué, quoi. Ça semble cohérent. Allons voir déjà ça, du coup. EBT 05. Ah oui, c'était bien un truc à trouver. Je pense que j'ai raté un truc avant, du coup.
Just as I thought. The equipment's still active, but everyone here is dead. Send shivers down your spine.
It's hard getting used to the sight of corpses.
It's more than that. I'm starting to understand the suffering they felt in their final moments. They were left to fend for themselves, yet unable to do so. This one man, he even ate parts of his suit, trying to survive. The field is no longer a problem. Disabled.
Perfect. All that's left is to get the flies out of there.
Pourquoi je vais dans le réacteur du truc? Pourquoi je suis rentré là-dedans? Quel idiot. Il y aura peut-être un truc à faire avec ça par contre. Ça ressemble à la scène de Star Trek. Mon cœur qui va dans le générateur pour sauver tout le monde. En vrai, je serais bien retourné voir un... Ouais, non, je pense que c'est pas la peine. On n'arrête jamais la farfouille, hein. Bon. Par contre, ça risque d'être un peu la merde. Parce que là, on va leur piquer des trucs. Ils vont sûrement pas apprécier. Quand je grimpe là-haut, par contre. Ah, là.
I'm climbing onto the hovering transporter.
Before you leave them, please check that the cargo is intact.
Oh, l'idée de merde.
All good. I hope. Will this really help our people, Astrogator?
It will, I'm sure. So, what? Off we go? Yasna, what are you wondering about?
J'aime bien l'idée.
What if we're making a mistake? Maybe I shouldn't take the flies off Regis. Maybe it's better to leave them alone. Here, where they belong.
What are you?
I just worry that we might spread this threat. And the tragedy of one planet becomes a tragedy of entire galaxies. Not to mention all humanity.
Forgive me, Doctor, but that sounds a bit overdramatic. We can handle some mechanical flies. Humanity survived worse.
And you sound like a fool, sir. How can you be so sure? We were clueless just a moment ago. We've only just begun to understand what's going on. But you already know how to handle it.
Yasna, I promise you, we'll analyze everything thoroughly. Now we need to focus on getting you out of there. Can we at least agree on that?
Yes.
C'est vraiment pas une bonne idée de les emporter.
I'd
Hein.
like to check the cargo.
Very well. Just hurry up.
À la seconde où on les emporte, on sera identifié par la planète comme une cible. Et là, la planète va vouloir nous tuer. Jusqu'à maintenant, elle voulait pas nous tuer. Elle en avait rien à foutre de nous. Mais là, maintenant, on est fichu. Si on lui pique ses bébés, c'est fini.
I must admit, they look amazing.
On est en train de faire une grosse
Yasna,
connerie.
What have you done?
I'm watching them, nothing more. Don't worry, sir.
What? Some goddamn black hole has opened in the stratosphere. And you say not to worry. Just look outside, Doctor. See for yourself.
Un trou noir. Comment ça? Comment? Pourquoi je peux pas sortir? J'ai eu tellement du mal à l'utiliser.
How large a group of these flies could be.
Oh bordelier.
Tell you, it can be gigantic.
C'est fichu déjà un peu, hein. En même temps, comment on réagirait, nous, s'il y avait des connards d'extraterrestres qui venaient sur notre planète et qui nous piquaient nos organes? Normal, on serait pas content. On est un peu de leur côté, là, dans l'histoire.
Hello, Dragonfly.
Ok, c'est le moment du blackout du début du jeu.
Everything's alright. Fine. Oh shit!
Mes organes sont plus dangereux que les mouches du jeu. C'est à cause de ta concentration en alcool, ça.
Something's flying out of them.
Ok, donc on a déjà été dans le truc.
They're the ones doing it.
On a déjà été dans le nuage. Mais on avait oublié. Comment on a fait pour oublier un truc pareil?
Fuck!
Bonne question.
The same thing over and over again. No wonder we finally ran out of luck. Too much of this damn curiosity. Who needs to know what might kill us? We're getting killed anyway.
I don't know if I should interrupt your speech, sir. It is quite interesting to listen to.
Yes, sir. This is too much.
Il en a marre de la perdre. T'inquiète, elle tient le coup, elle tient le coup.
It's not like I'm looking for problems where there aren't any. The task is extremely difficult.
Yes, it is.
At least we learned the truth about this planet and the inorganic beings that inhabit it.
What good does that do us, though?
We know the cause of the stupor. Maybe we can find a way to cure Koval. If anyone from the Alliance survived, and they already started their research into a cure.
I wouldn't count on it. It's more likely they're all dead.
Not necessarily. It's a large base, and I only found a few bodies. The rest of them must be somewhere.
Or you'll find more corpses, Yasna.
Bon, il arrête de faire du mauvais esprit, là.
Hey! Something changed. The balloon over the base disappeared.
You mean it flew away, or did it fall to the ground?
Oh, I hope it's the latter. If it caught the west wind, it would have fallen in this area. We're lucky. It's hanging from a cliff, close to the ground.
Can you get to it? Unhook it?
Maybe that won't be necessary. Oh, shit. Somebody's here.
If all you're seeing is dots on the tracker,
No. I can see them with my own eyes.
Alors moi, je la vois pas du tout, hein.
2 people, alive.
Je les ai absolument pas vus.
Huh? Where did they go?
Have you lost them?
Well, I can't see
Je crois
them
que je
now.
suis aveugle.
They were here just a second ago.
Are you sure? What did they look like?
One was wearing an Alliance suit, a green one. The other one, I don't know. He looked different.
I see. And now they're nowhere to be found.
Damn right.
Doctor,
Oh, just a moment ago, my consciousness was over the ocean. I saw a big black cloud that appeared out of nowhere, which I then forgot. And now these ghosts.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
The sight of them was so vivid. Just for a moment, I've been looking for someone for so long.
I suggest focusing on what's certain. That balloon is still there, is it not? If it had operational cameras, we might get some answers.
You don't have to convince me, Astrogator. I'm going.
The rover is nearby if needed.
Good to know. Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Let me just say this. Literally everything hurts. I don't know where frustration ends and a contused lung begins. But at least
Yes.
I'm alive. You know what, sir? It was these flies from the very beginning.
What do you mean?
My accident, for example. It's true, I hurt myself badly back then, damaged a radio. But that's not why I lost my memory. Soon after, flies flew from the bushes.
Right. There were bushes there too.
They subjected me to an electromagnetic field. Moreover, I believe the same thing happened to our people in the camp. To the antimat in those tunnels.
And to the whole convoy.
Yes.
Du coup, je me demande à quoi ça servait de prendre le chemin détourné. À un moment, on avait le choix de prendre un autre chemin. Peut-être qu'on aurait trouvé d'autres corps. Peut-être qu'on aurait juste perdu du temps pour rien. Oh! Le rover! Est-ce que c'est celui avec le cerveau de Luna? Oui! Trop bien. Je suis heureux. Ouh. Dans l'un des transporteurs, Yasna a trouvé des récipients remplis de mouches. En voulant savoir comment elles fonctionnent, elle attire malencontreusement un nuage de petits robots. Yasna a perdu connaissance lorsqu'elle s'est échappée, mais les souvenirs de sa première rencontre avec le nuage lui reviennent. Yasna remarque des silhouettes humaines près du ballon. Bien que Novik ne la voit pas, Yasna s'y dirige. On va voir si on a eu plus d'infos sur eux avant. Oui, déjà on a le truc du premier nuage. Mais non, sur eux, on n'a pas. Allez, tout. Oula. Ça craque le rover, dis donc. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Il m'a l'air bien mal en point le machin. Et franchement, si vous allez au travail le matin et que votre bagnole elle fait ce bruit là, n'y allez pas. Hein. Yahoo! Zut, il est où le ballon? Balloon un peu plus loin sur la droite. Ok. Il est là.
close to this fallen
C'est Joan
balloon.
Culasse.
What's so funny?
Oh, nothing, sir. It's just, in my mind, it sounded like the title of some Renaissance painting.
The fallen balloon of Regis.
Yes, exactly.
Bon. Ils ont déjà pris des trucs.
I found the recorder.
The fallen recorder of Regis.
Please stop.
Ça a pas l'air unlock. Donc peut-être ils ont pas pris les trucs. Cool. On a les infos.
From the top. Let's see. The 25th day of the mission. Morning. The balloon goes up. You can see the immediate surroundings of the base. They're operating at full capacity. The base is active.
Ah, ça a lu tous les trucs d'un coup.
I didn't see that from below. They parked several vehicles on top of a nearby hill. The balloon is moving away from the base,
Which direction?
approximately south. It found some water reservoirs, many of them. Rocks, water, sand.
Anything
Water.
noteworthy?
No, not really. No people, units, nor significant changes in the surroundings. The balloon's completing its loop. It seems quieter at the base. But there's still a few people. They're grouping up. A dozen people gathered in the square, next to the vehicles. 2 vehicles that weren't there before. They've left. There are no vehicles. There's no one. They must have set off towards their old base.
Or to the ship?
But why didn't they wait for the convoy to return?
Maybe they didn't know the others were in trouble.
Doubtful. It was after the Cloud's attack.
Well then, apparently that's how the Alliance treats its people. Lousily, without dignity.
The subsequent shots are similar to each other. They show an empty base. There are actually quite a few of these. Oh, it captured the moment I entered the base. And it's empty again. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I was on my way to the convoy by then.
So we won't find out anything else.
Ouais, il y a quelqu'un.
Wait, you're wrong. Someone was in the base. A man.
So he's real after all.
Yes, I'm not crazy. I saw him.
I never suggested you were. But nevertheless, I apologize. Shouldn't have doubted your words, Jasna. But where is this man now? And can we expect any more?
I think he's near the base. Judging by the last slide, the Alliance must have a hideout there.
And we need to go back, I guess.
Après avoir analysé les enregistrements du ballon, Jasna confirme la présence d'humains dans la zone. Elle découvre également l'emplacement probable de leur base. Allez, zou, Luna! On se casse! Un moustique qui m'embête. Alors.
You know, Doctor, decades of space travel have instilled a certain conviction in me. I think people can be more dangerous and deceitful than anything else we may encounter on our journey.
I know that. Sometimes I think the presence of humans is the worst thing that happened in space. Or to space even.
Then why do you
Bien
insist on
sûr.
seeking them out?
Because I also believe in human goodness. The selfless desire to help others. I can't believe otherwise. All my efforts would be meaningless.
I don't know whether to envy you or to worry even more.
Je suis perdu là un peu, non?
I've driven into a side location. They were very active here too. Obtaining research material from the walls surrounding the valley. Cutting out blocks of rock.
Were they performing geological research?
Not necessarily. In these blocks, there are inorganic objects. Solid, metal, sharp-edged
Attends.
lumps.
Est-ce qu'il peut exister des mouches de cette taille-là? On est vraiment dans la merde, hein. Oh, c'est joli ce vaisseau. En Australie. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc? Bon allez, on se casse. Bon, par contre, je me suis un peu perdu sur le fait de rentrer à la base. Donc on va y aller au hasard. Ce sera bien. Ah bah, revoilà les problèmes de joint de culasse. Si j'allais là-bas. Je suis pas sûr que ce soit tout à fait normal, c'est bon. Ah mais non, mais il n'y a pas de passage là. Il pétarade ce pot d'échappement, hein. Pourtant la carte est claire, hein. Je sais pas comment j'ai fait pour me perdre. Oh, le voilà. Le vaisseau. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc?
Yes?
Astrogator, I have a question.
Of course, I'm listening.
What altitude can I reach in a flying saucer?
The Alliance's saucer. Is there one?
Yes, and it seems to be in one piece.
That's great news. I can confirm that you can fly into Dragonfly. If it's not too large, has a functional propulsion system, and you haven't forgotten everything from your piloting course, and if the Alliance engineers didn't screw up the robots, it might work. There are many unknowns, but let's hope for the best.
Attendez, hein. On va pas mettre fin au jeu comme ça.
I'm inside.
Elle va pas marcher, c'est obligé.
Right. The engines are functional. There's a vertical thrust. Hey, that's a good sound. This could actually work. So far, so good. Saucers in takeoff position.
L'environnement sonore est trop bien.
I'm checking. Shit! What's going on? The warning lights are activating and the saucer's not lifting at all.
That doesn't necessarily mean anything bad. Ascension requires maximum power. Just give the engine some time. Okay. Let's check the controls.
Everything's fine here. It steers smoothly.
Oh, trop bien! Il a une soucoupe volante!
What a perspective. To see the same terrain from above.
Incroyable!
I can see the entire riverbed. Hey.
Oh!
What are you...
Je me suis craché!
The saucer suddenly dropped and crashed into the ground. Shit! The generator cover must have cracked open.
Evacuate immediately. There's no chance it'll fly again. Yes,
Oh non,
it failed this
terrible.
way. Could have been considerably worse.
So much for hope.
Don't worry. This is just one of their sources. I'm sure you'll find another, fully functional.
Bon, par contre, il faut retourner à pied chercher le rover, quoi. Ah non, il est là. Il est cool, ce rover qui nous suit de partout, là. Par contre, je suis très heureux d'avoir fait ce passage en soucoupe volante. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais j'aime beaucoup. Alors... Oui, donc c'est bien ça. C'est bien derrière moi. Je me suis pas trompé tout à l'heure. Ah si, j'ai dû tourner à gauche au lieu d'aller tout droit. Ah! C'est en kikinant. En kikinant. Espérons que j'ai pas trop perdu de choses. Et j'ai pas eu d'entrée de journal par contre pour avoir fait un vol en soucoupe volante. Ok.
Obtaining research material from the walls surrounding the valley.
Je poserai pas de questions. Je poserai pas de questions sur ce qui vient d'arriver. Et du coup, on va être obligé de refaire le vol en soucoupe volante.
Cutting out blocks of rock.
Were they performing geological research?
Donc ça, c'était un peu un... Comment on peut dire?
Not necessarily.
Ah oui, j'aurais dû le trouver plus tôt, ça.
These blocks, there are inorganic objects. Solid, metal, sharp-edged lumps.
Ouais, le problème, c'est que ce passage-là, on l'a fait à pied tout à l'heure. Je peux pas retourner dans le rover? Si, c'est bon. Du coup, j'ai loupé tout ça. Si ça se trouve, la soucoupe volante, fallait le faire tout à l'heure. On va refaire le passage tranquillement.
Interesting. I found a flying saucer. It appears to be operational. I'm inside. functional. There's a vertical thrust.
Mhm.
Hey, that's a good sound. This could actually work. Okay. Time to take off. So far, so good. Saucers in takeoff position.
Are you able to increase altitude?
I'm checking. Shit. What's going on? The warning lights are activating and the saucer's not lifting at all.
That doesn't necessarily mean anything bad. Ascension requires maximum power. Just give the engine some time, okay? Let's check the controls.
Everything's fine here. It steers smoothly. Oh, wow. What a perspective. To see the same terrain. Hey. What are you...
What happened?
I didn't do anything.
C'est rigolo, on peut se cracher n'importe où.
The saucer suddenly dropped and crashed into the ground.
La Cessna parvient à lancer la soucoupe volante de l'Alliance, cependant le véhicule est endommagé et s'écrase lors de son premier et court voyage.
Shit! The generator cover must have cracked open.
Evacuate immediately. There's no chance it'll fly again. It's a good thing it failed this way. It could have been considerably worse.
So much for hope.
Don't worry. This is just one of their saucers. I'm sure you'll find another, fully functional.
Hop. Alors. Du coup. Je peux pas save, ça me dérange un peu. On va essayer d'être attentif pour pas retomber dans le même piège. Donc déjà là je retourne au ballon. Donc c'était par là. Je pense que ce qui s'est passé c'est que simplement le jeu a pas chargé le prochain shrunk. Et du coup on est tombé dans l'infini. J'espère que le bug sera pas récurrent. On va lui laisser un peu le temps au jeu.
Oh,
La
the
sonde.
probe again.
Is it flying near the base? Within range of the control center?
Affirmative.
Ça me fait peur, elle est passée dans le
Do you
sol.
expect me to rummage through the enemy's equipment? Again?
Well, in my opinion, the more we learn while delaying our encounter with the Alliance, the better. So, what will it be, Doctor?
Agreed. I'm curious to see what it's recorded. Especially since it witnessed what happened to the convoy.